Hello there, and hello to you. I'm having one with him right now. That's cool, isn't it? That's not the video you were expecting. What a surprise. I know I can do that sometimes. But, okay, you can just sit, I don't know, I'll be, for now, just like this. He enjoys staring at me. I'm not sure if how proper he understands seeing himself in reflections in the camera, like video. Right now he's very focused on me for some reason. Hello. This is probably sounding very confusing to him, especially the fact that in my house, we speak Russian to him, so that he kind of understands and he is able to say Russian words. So yeah, but English like this, we don't speak to him like this. The only times I have is when I've made a recording with him in it. So yeah, that's a fun fact for you. It'll be cool if you can hear some of the things, but we just had like a proper 20 minutes an exaggeration. Let's say 15 minutes of just talking to him and us bonding, you know. It was cool. But yeah, it's a pretty little bird. Some blue, a yellow, and faded shades of green with black, of course. You're a pretty boy. Okay, storage low. I need to delete some of these videos. Okay, I'll take note. If it happens, it happens, whatever. If it happens, I'll put him away and that will be the last moment that you see him in this video. After that, it will be just me. I don't even know what I'm talking about right now, but come on. No, you don't want to go by my side and whisper in my ear? Oh, sorry. I guess he's just fascinated by me, my voice, and the kind of words that are coming out right now. No. I can hear him be like, oh. That sounded weird. It's like a little sound of amazement. Oh. I don't know, maybe I'm hallucinating. But yeah. Usually he's a talkative boy. I guess this episode is going to be just him. I don't know what else to talk about. That's the main subject in the house. Okay, let's interview him, I guess. Hey, yo. How's life been? How are you? Are you enjoying your time living with me? Wait, how old are you? 2 years? Over 2 years. No, just 2 years. Well, I have enjoyed your company. And yeah. It's still a nice thing to be. It's kind of like 50-50. Okay, jeez. Usually, I wake up before him. And he's still covered in his cage, you know. But, yeah. It's different feelings of, yeah, sometimes waking up and you can hear in the distance that he's already singing and talking to his mates outside through the glass window. It'll be cool if your bird pet was able to be trained enough, or itself would want to always be coming back if we let it out. Okay, this is like these low storage notifications keep popping up faster and faster. I'm gonna estimate 6 minutes 24. I think it's gonna be soon. Okay, are you gonna answer anything I just asked you? Yeah, I have a feeling he's enjoying English language. It's more soothing for him, maybe. I let him listen to music as well, because he can constantly hear the TV or like Netflix in the main area, because that's where he is, and us talking. But in terms of music, nah, I'm the only one. Oh no, okay, never mind. In terms of music, there is lo-fi that's on occasion is being played in the background when he's by himself there. But other than that, music with words and more interesting sounds, I guess. That's all from me. Okay, so yeah, that's cool as well. Okay, both my screens just lit up. There's so much happening in like 10 seconds. Yeah, he likes chilling in the hair as well. It's like his nest. I'm glad I did it with my phone instead of my camera, because I couldn't be asked to set that up, and I'm glad I can still see him, I guess. An upgrade in a camera would be like a proper one, comfortable to hold. Okay. He was just babbling to himself for like a good minute. He got tired of just me talking. 2:36. Remember. Remember for me, please. This is currently the pen I'm using for writing down whilst I'm doing sales. Ah, there's shit on this. How did you manage to get shit on this? The fuck? I was laying down. Huh? Keeps shitting everywhere. But he tried his best not to. He just does it a lot, I guess. He started liking me more and more, so he doesn't bite that often. And like, what else? There was another one I'm gonna say, but yeah, mind is not functioning. Look at Misha. That's his name. Misha. Misha? Oh, сорян. Just land on me. Jeez. Извини. Прости. Okay, I'll definitely need to take him back after that. He's too stressed right now. Come back here. No, okay, he doesn't. Alright, 2:36. 20 seconds. Oh, he's shouting me again. Okay, 2:36. Okay. Yeah, he's making it clear. Okay, wait. Пока-пока.